Alright, I got those in the wash.
Is that beef or salmon?
I don't remember. I think it's salmon.
If he's cleaning it out, Mama. What's he doing? What's he doing?
Licking his paws. You hear Ricky's cranked up his thing.
Yep.
Street sweeper. He's over here on the side street though. Where he's always at when he breaks down.